Alright, we have a Rav4 2010. I was told from my fiance and my kids that there's a loud noise coming from the AC unit, especially when you put the dial up to 3 or 4. And also, there's a major leak on the passenger side. My first thought was, who spilled the water bottle? But that's not the case. So I'm going to quickly show you how to fix both issues with no tools at all. It's pretty quick, pretty seamless, pretty easy. So all you need, maybe a flashlight. First step is, I actually got this is a Comfort. My fiance broke her tailbone, and this is to help her with comfort, and this is perfect for using it to kneel on. So the first step is to take the glove compartment out. So we're going to do that real quick. This guy right here, you can just pull this guy back a little bit. It's also connected to this little piece right here, which you just squeeze right there. This guy should come off. There's some 2 clips down here, if you notice, on both sides. So we're going to try to remove this. Put this down right here so you guys can kind of see. All right. So what do we got in here? All right. So I'm going to show you guys what I fixed first, and that was the drain. So this piece right here, this plastic, come right off. You see this guy right here? This is a drain for the AC unit. I followed this down here, and you can just pull this back, carpet, and it goes through the firewall and outside the car. So my first thought was this guy's probably clogged. So I removed this guy, and you can just start wiggling it out. The unit comes right out, and I was able to blow through here no problem. So I was kind of stunned on that. So then I took a hanger, and before I did anything, there was water coming all through the seals here, and over here. So you can clearly see that the drain process wasn't working at all. So I just took a hanger, and what you do is just put it in and made sure that there's nothing in there that's blocking it, resisting it from water coming out. And as soon as I did that, water started gushing out. So I quickly put this drain back on. It just pops up right there. And then, as you can see, there's the hole going outside the car. And so that took care of the first issue. The second issue was actually this guy right here. This is the cover. There's a filter behind here, and you simply just pop this off, and you have your filter here. And I knew something got into the fan or the compressor itself, so I slowly moved this guy out. And as you can see, this thing has never been replaced. We got all kinds of goodies in here. So there must have been some coins that fell through, and if you take a look, you can see that there's holes in the filter. So must have gotten some coins and some junk, fell through and went right into the compressor itself here. And I just reached my hand in there and made sure it can spin. There was no resistance, and I found a couple coins and some other good stuff. So I went on Amazon, and I think these filters are like $9. So I'll get a new filter tomorrow to pop in there, so I'll leave it out for now. But I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Sorry if that looks disgusting. But that's it. So now, turn on this guy. And no noise, sounds good. And I just verified underneath the car that the AC is leaking down outside the car now. So as you can see that leaking out the way it's supposed to. And that is it. So it took me about 15 minutes to kind of understand this whole concept. I usually work on BMWs, which is extremely difficult and with time and patience. But this guy, very quick, figured it out. And waiting for the new filter, put it all back together. All right, thanks guys. I hope this guys helps you.